Hello, bakers! New Valentine's Day recipe, little heart-shaped shortbread cookies that were just right but absolutely delicious. And besides, they are really very pretty, I think. For the dough, you will mix together the flour and butter. I did everything with the mixer, of course. You can do it by hand. It just takes a little bit of muscle and patience, that's all. You mix with the paddle attachment. You add the powdered sugar, the vanilla sugar. Then you will need half an egg. You beat your egg into an omelet. I always use the little magic spoon, it's handy, and you pour half into the mixture. You mix. And you will form a ball by wrapping the dough in plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for an hour. We will do exactly the same thing for the pink dough. You mix the flour and butter together until you have a sandy mixture. You add the icing sugar, the vanilla sugar, the half egg, and the pink coloring. I will provide all the references for the equipment I use and all the ingredients in the description below the video. Similarly, you form a ball. Wrap it in cling film and refrigerate for an hour. Take the dough out a little in advance so it softens, making it easier to roll out. And you will roll out the dough on a floured work surface. Using heart-shaped cookie cutters, again, I will provide the references below the video. You will cut out small hearts all over your dough. I used 2 different sizes. You remove the small hearts and most importantly, you keep them. You set them aside. We do the same with the pink dough. You roll it out on the floured work surface to a thickness of about 3 millimeters, and with the cookie cutters, you cut out small hearts. You will then fill the holes in the white dough with the hearts from the pink dough and vice versa. The holes in the pink dough with the hearts from the white dough. It's a little time consuming, I'm telling you right away. But the effect is really quite nice. You roll it out again with the rolling pin. Press down a little, because otherwise you'll have trouble cutting it out later. Your cookies. And so, with an even larger heart-shaped cookie cutter, you cut out your final cookies. Now, you won't be able to re-roll the scraps. However, what you can do with the scraps is cut out, well, slightly smaller hearts. This is something I didn't show in the video, but it will prevent you from wasting the dough. And then, if there are really areas that are too small to be cut out, you can re-roll them, and it's okay. You'll have cookies in a variety of shapes. Place them on a perforated baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake. And there you have it, it's ready. I assure you, it's really, really delicious. We thoroughly enjoyed this recipe. See you soon, bye!